Born in Jammu, Samay moved to Pune to study printing technology.
Printing engineering.
Printing engineer.
Printing engineering.
Yeah, pretty random for a comedian, right? But somewhere between college fests and open mics, he realized his degree wasn't gonna get him the kind of audience he wanted. So in 2017, he hit the stage, and by 2019, after co-winning Comicstan 2, Samay Raina became one of the most talked about new faces in Indian comedy. And then came the lockdown. While most of us were learning how to make dalgona coffee, Samay was out there streaming chess. He turned what was basically a niche game into a national obsession,
Say Samay has made chess cool in India.
mixing memes, jokes, and brainpower. Soon, he was playing with legends like Vidit Gujarati and even Magnus Carlsen. Wild, right? But if you really want to understand Samay Raina, you gotta look at his comedy.
Today I'm Samay Raina, all the way from Pakistan, Kashmir.
He's not the cute observations about daily life kind of guy. His humor is bold, uncomfortable, and sometimes borderline offensive. And that's the point. He's the face of India's growing roast comedy scene. The kind of comedy that punches up, pokes fun at pa, and makes you question what's okay to laugh at.
किसी को कहीं बुरा लगा है तो मैंने ऊपर एक फीडबैक फॉर्म रखा है, जो भी आपको लगा बुरा आप उस पर लिख देना और उस फॉर्म को फोल्ड करके फिर अपने गान में डाल देना, ठीक है?
Of course, that kind of comedy comes with baggage. India's Got Latent, his online talent show, went viral in 2024 and then boom, controversy. A few jokes crossed the line, FIRs were fired, videos taken down. But that's Samay. He doesn't tiptoe around trouble, he walks straight into it. And here's the thing, because he dared to push those boundaries, other comics are owning that space too. Roast comedy, once seen as too risky, is becoming mainstream again. And a lot of that is thanks to Samay's brave antics. He's made being unapologetic kind of cool again. There's a softer side to him. Samay once helped a fellow creator, Deepak Kalal, regain access to his YouTube and Facebook accounts, even surprising him with the news as a Diwali gift.
मैंने बोला मेरे पास उसका एक्सेस नहीं है ये यूट्यूब चैनल का. And he said, Deepak, that I want to give you Diwali gift. बोला, I'm giving you YouTube channel access. Thank you very much, Samay.
Samay Raina isn't just another funny guy. He's the kind of comic who makes you laugh, think, and sometimes argue with your friends after the show. If you like this story, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to C-Seed for more such videos.